Welcome, in this video I will show you how to take notes on iPad Pro M5. First, open the Notes application. It's the native app on the iPads and basically all Apple products, so you don't have to download it. To create a new note, tap right here. To hide the previous notes or to show them, tap this icon. Now the first line of your note will be the heading, so the following will have a smaller font by default, but you can also adjust the text size and style and everything else right here. Using this icon you can create a checklist. Using this icon you can create a table, and you can also change it by tapping these three icons and add in rows or columns. You can also add a document or a photo to this to this note. Scan text, scan documents, take photo or video, choose from gallery, record audio, or attach a file. You can also draw in here, either using your finger or of course your Apple Pencil, which is probably, well, I don't want to be biased or anything, but most probably will inspire you about yourself an iPad. So yeah, just grab your pencil and start drawing right away. You can choose different pencil styles, rubber. You can change the color, you can set a custom color right here. You can add a sticker, text, signature, shape, and loop. You can also, of course, there are more tools to choose from. For example, there is a ruler, and you can tap on it, and oh no, I just misunderstood it, I think. Okay, never mind the ruler. So you can also change the text size in here. You can start voice recording here, the language, and also you have some additional settings in this menu. You can also use gestures here. For example, you can pinch your Apple Pencil to open quick tools, or you can double tap it to switch between rubber and a pencil. And basically you can, oh yeah, because it enabled text recognition. You can draw anything you want here. Additionally, I want to show you how to change the Apple Pencil settings, since it's very important in the context of this video. All you have to do is go to settings, then select Apple Pencil, and here you'll find a huge variety of different options you can adjust for your Apple Pencils. For example, the actions for the squeeze, it all can be changed here. The action for double tap can be changed here. The gestures can be changed right here, and you can also adjust the effects and many other different settings. So that's basically how you can take notes on your iPad Pro M5. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.